Well guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead. And today we have to go check on the girls. But this is what I gotta deal with. That's walking out of my porch. It's at my door. And this is all shoveled and out and blown out. Hey. So let's go see what the girls are doing. Come on, Coda. With my steps. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Look at this drift, guys. It is crazy out here. Look at this. Wow. That's got to be a 5.5 to 6 foot drift. There's the top of my pole right there. Look at the size of that drift. Wow. And we're supposed to get another 9 inches today. Well, the girls all seem happy. Too bad we can't get to them, huh, Coda? Oh, yeah. So we'll look at it from this end. That's what I just came through. Go on, Coda. That's what I just came through. Oh, what do you think, buddy? What do you think? Wow. Good morning, girls. How are y'all doing today? So anyway, welcome to Rolling Homestead. Thanks for joining us. And this is going to be my second Volg talk for my channel. And today we're gonna get some eggs. I had to check on the girls to see how they were and if I can get out of the driveway to get to work tomorrow. Let's get some eggs this morning. Oh yeah. What's the matter, girls? So one thing's nice about this eggs and pretty much anything. If something does happen where we can't get out for a couple days, obviously because of the weather, or if something tragically happens, we have our own means to sustain ourselves here. The problem that we have is that we don't only have to worry about ourselves, we also have to worry about them, because right now in the winter, this is actually spring, they can't go and look for worms and grubs, obviously, because it's like this. So we got to come up with their own food to make up for that. Ooh. Wow. How we doing in here? So it's 22 degrees outside. In here it is 32. And you guys got water? Yep, we got water. They got food. And Ross is taking care of them. Coda's out there playing in the snow. So you guys are all good to go. So we don't have to worry about them. That's one thing nice about them big containers like that, guys, is I can put a 40-pound bag of feed in there and they're good. The waters, they're good. So he's having a blast. So that's kind of what you want to look at, is when you know you might have your storage for you, and you might have the means, there we go, for you if something happens, like a 3-day blizzard. I mean, that's just crazy. I mean, you can hear the wind, you can see what's going on here. So you might have your means to keep you fed and watered and everything else, but you gotta look at your animals. You know, you got stuff to take care of them, especially if you're on a homestead and this crap happens. You know, my good buddy, Locked and Loaded, said it perfectly. Al Gore, global warming, we got a bone to pick with him. This is crazy. Come on, buddy. Holy man. Oh. Coda, why didn't you tell me to get the eggs? I just like walking back and forth through this drift. This is crazy. So we're gonna have to do this all over again. Come on, bud. That is just brutal. Look at that. Good thing I didn't have the truck on this side. Whew. Get over here. Man. Winter in full force. All right, come on, Coda. Right. Coda, watch your big melon. He's all happy he's playing. Come on, knucklehead. Come on. All right, guys. I'm gonna go take a walk and I'm gonna show you how miserable our weather is. It's terrible. I just spent 3 hours trying to get us a spot so I can get out of the driveway here. So this gives you an idea how nasty it is. And windy. Something else. And of course the plow just came through. But this was at my end of my driveway. This is what I had to try to bust through. And of course I must have got some water or nasty gas, because that thing's spitting and sputtering. There's, you got a general idea of what we got going on here. Like I said, guys, I want to start him up for today. So this is the weather that we're dealing with. April 15th, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this will give you an idea just how, and I can't even see the camera lens, guys, so I don't even know what I'm showing you. It's just terrible out here. There's my girls. But to give you an idea, guys, I'm 6'5", and this thing is shoulder height as a drift. This is Wisconsin's April 15th, 2018 winter storm. It is crazy. See what it's like back here. Look at that, guys. That drift has just got this whole thing closed right in. This is all cleaned out in grass 2 days ago. Gives you an idea of the drifts and the crap that we got going on here. And where them pallets are and that fence line is, that's all my garden. And there's a 4.5 foot drift on that back half back there too. So, like I said, you know, these are the things that we planned for. It wouldn't be for my grow table inside, we'd have a problem, because the greenhouse is not going to stand up to this kind of torment. These winds, look at these drifts all over. So guys, you not only want to be prepared for something that happens in the world, but you got to be prepared for this kind of stuff too. And what's really cool is this is all water. So I got fresh snow that I could melt, propane tanks, could set up the chicken boiler. We got stuff we could melt. And we'd have fresh drinking water for us and the animals. So you always got to be thinking like that. But I've never ever seen anything like this. I guess it was back in, what'd you say, 72? 72 or 73. 72 or 73 this happened before. So it just gives you an idea. Let's go follow Hunter around. Hunter, don't go out. Hey, get away from there. Get away from the exhaust. Go walk on that snow hill up there, Hunter. Go walk towards the fence. It's one big drift, ain't it? We'll climb on the big one by the coop. How do you like our Wisconsin weather, Hunter? Climb up there on top. Hunter, climb up on top. There. Got himself a slide. My girls in there, they're wondering what the heck is going on.
Well, look inside.
So there we go. We're done following him around. So guys, what I'm trying to say is no matter what kind of stuff that you get yourself into, whatever Mother Nature throws at you, or something bad happens in the world, you got to be ready for anything. And being able to adapt to that, that's thriving. We're all laughing. Yeah, it's gonna be a miserable wet one when this all melts, but hey, I'm still alive. God's still my Father, and He's still looking out for us. So you guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one.